Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the connection type and eliminating obvious interference. Plug in Ethernet or switch to a 5 GHz SSID for lower latency. Run a quick 30-second ping and jitter test so you have baseline numbers. Once done, close any background upload/download tasks like Cloud Sync or BitTorrent. These steal bandwidth. Make sure your device firewall isn't blocking the game. If unsure, temporarily allow the game in the firewall or run the client as administrator to confirm connectivity permissions. Next, power cycle your modem and router and update firmware if available. This clears transient routing issues. Log into the router to enable quality of service and prioritize your gaming device, which reduces packet queuing. If your ISP supports it, switch DNS to a fast resolver and test again. Adjust the MTU to a stable value like 1400 or 1472. This can cut fragmentation that causes instability. After each change, reconnect to the game. Finally, repair or reinstall the game client and confirm you're using the correct server region and official ports. Corrupted files and wrong regions often cause drops. If packet loss or asymmetric upload/download speeds persist, call your ISP with your test logs and request a line check or a technician visit. Make sure to run a 10-15-minute stress test while playing to validate stability. If issues remain, capture a network log and include it when you contact support for faster resolution. One tip: test with a mobile hotspot to isolate home network faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.